This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include alloy wheels, dual power seats, cruise control, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, full power accessories, running boards, halogen fog lights, privacy glass, and this vehicle has less than 71,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Thank you for considering Huggins Honda for your next vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 7551 Northeast Loop 820 in North Richland Hills.